Greetings, guys. Welcome back to the Zaki Crypto Update channel. I hope you're all doing well and staying up to date with the latest happenings in the crypto world. Today, we're diving into something that I know many of you have been closely following: Shiba Inu. Despite recent market challenges, there's some buzz around SHIB that you don't want to miss. Analysts are seeing a potential upside of 354%, which could drive SHIB's price up to $0.0000081. Yes, you heard that right, a 354% upside. So be sure to watch this video all the way through because we're going to break down exactly why these predictions are surfacing and what it could mean for you as an investor. But before we get into the details, let me remind you that if you're new here and want to get more videos about Shiba Inu, other cryptocurrencies, and market insights, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. This way you'll be notified every time I drop a new video, and trust me, with everything happening in the crypto world, you'll want to stay informed. Plus, it helps support the channel and allows me to continue bringing you the best content possible. So thank you in advance. Now let's get straight into today's topic: Shiba Inu's recent price performance and why some analysts are incredibly bullish despite the recent downturn. First, let's talk about where SHIB stands today. We've seen a slight recovery in the broader cryptocurrency market, with many altcoins attempting to rebound from recent lows. However, Shiba Inu hasn't had the best week. SHIB has dropped by about 4% in the past 24 hours and has seen a more significant decline of 16% over the past week. These numbers might seem alarming at first glance, but as we all know, the crypto market is full of surprises, and where there's fear, there's often opportunity. Despite these recent drops, some analysts are not only optimistic but are projecting that SHIB could experience a major price surge shortly. So what's behind this bullish sentiment? Let's dig deeper. And just a quick disclaimer here, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this should be taken as financial advice. Always do your research before making any investment decisions. The crypto space is volatile, and while there are opportunities for significant gains, there are also risks involved. Now, back to SHIB. One particular analyst has been quite vocal about his positive outlook on Shiba Inu. He's maintaining a price target of $0.0000081, which, considering SHIB's current price levels, represents a potential upside of 354%. That's a massive gain, and understandably, it has caught the attention of many investors. This analyst's July analysis supports his projection, citing what he calls a confirmed hidden bullish divergence with the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, as a key indicator of a potential recovery. For those who might not be familiar with the term, a hidden bullish divergence occurs when the price of an asset, in this case SHIB, makes higher lows while the RSI, which is a momentum indicator, makes lower lows. This kind of divergence suggests that despite the lower RSI, there's underlying strength in the price action, hinting at the potential for a price increase. In simpler terms, it's like the market is quietly gearing up for a move, even though it might not be immediately obvious from the price alone. In his analysis, the analyst Javon Marks emphasized that SHIB confirmed this hidden bullish divergence, signaling a potential recovery and continuation of its upward trajectory. He also presented a long-term chart showing SHIB's price action, which highlighted a significant downtrend from its peak in October 2021 to a breakout point in 2023. This downtrend lasted approximately 448 days, a long and grueling period for SHIB holders, no doubt. But here's where it gets interesting. It marked a potential shift from a bearish to a bullish sentiment in the market. After this breakout, SHIB retested the downtrend line, which now acts as a support level. Successful retests like this one are often seen as a confirmation of the breakout, suggesting that the previous resistance has now turned into a strong support, setting the stage for potential upward movement. Following this confirmed breakout and the hidden bullish divergence with the RSI, Marks projected that SHIB could see a recovery of around 162%, bringing it back to the $0.0000456 area. But that's not all. He went further to suggest that an additional 75% upside could push SHIB to $0.0000081. When you add up these potential gains, you're looking at over 354% from where SHEB currently stands. That's a substantial increase that could have a significant impact on those holding SHEB. But Javon Marks isn't the only analyst who's feeling optimistic about SHEB's future. Another well-known figure in the crypto community also sees a strong case for an imminent surge in SHEB's value. He's highlighted a bullish RSI divergence that he believes indicates the correction phase for SHEB might be over. SHEB has now entered what he describes as an optimal buying range. This means that for those looking to invest in SHEB, now could be an attractive opportunity to get in at these low prices before the expected sharp surge takes place. Pantoja's analysis is rooted in SHEB's significant retracement from its March gains, which he believes has set the stage for a powerful upward movement. Essentially, SHEB has pulled back enough to offer a good entry point for new investors while laying the groundwork for its next big move. Now let's shift gears and talk about something that often drives the momentum behind price movements in the crypto space: social metrics. In the world of cryptocurrencies, social engagement and sentiment can play a huge role in determining how a particular coin performs. The more people are talking about engaging with a coin, the more likely it is to see significant price movements. So how has she been performing on the social front? According to data from Lunar Crush, SHEB's social and trading metrics have seen significant growth over the past 6 months. Let me share some of the numbers with you because they're pretty impressive. For starters, social interactions related to SHEB have surged by an astounding 2,760%. This means that more people are talking about SHEB, sharing posts, and engaging in discussions about its future. But that's not all. The number of social media posts about SHEB has skyrocketed by 2,794%, and posts with interactions have grown by a massive 3,467%. This level of engagement is a strong indicator that SHEB is still very much on the radar of the crypto community, despite the recent price dips. Additionally, the number of active creators posting about SHEB has increased by 2,805%. This suggests that more influencers and content creators are paying attention to SHEB, potentially driving even more interest and investment into the coin. However, it's worth noting that despite this growth, SHEB's social dominance and sentiment have seen slight declines of 4.3% and 6.8%, respectively. This could indicate that while there's still strong interest in SHEB, some caution remains among investors and traders. But here's the thing: in the world of crypto, social metrics can often be a leading indicator of future price movements. The fact that SHEB is seeing such strong engagement suggests that the community is still very much involved, and this could translate into increased buying pressure in the near future. So what does all of this mean for you, the investor? It means that while SHEB has faced some short-term challenges, the potential for a significant price surge is still very much on the table. With analysts highlighting key bullish divergences and social metrics showing strong engagement, SHEB could be gearing up for a major move. However, as always, it's crucial to stay informed and research before making any investment decisions. The crypto market is incredibly volatile, and while the potential rewards are high, so are the risks. And never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always make sure you're making decisions based on sound research and analysis. That's pretty much it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, please support the channel by giving it a like, drop a comment below with your thoughts on SHEB's future, and don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss out on any future updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more exciting Shiba Inu updates and cryptocurrency news.